Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you want to play Spotify music on your smart TV, how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and find out. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open your smart TV and make sure that your phone and the smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once you're sure of that, the next thing you need to do is to open your Spotify application on your device. You play any song just for the sake of the video. I will do that, and once the song is played, there is an option listen on your speaker, or you can connect any device. So you need to tap on this icon. So once you tap on this icon here, you will find the devices that you want to connect. So this is my TV. I will tap on my TV, and right there, as you can see, now this music has been played. I mute the music because of the copyright problem. So here, as you can see, the music has been played. So I will just come down and to maximize it to let you show it. So as you can see, now this music has been played here from my phone on the TV. So you can use either your remote to increase the volume, as you can see, and you can even use just wait a second, you can even use your phone volume settings to increase the volume here. As you can see, now I'm just using my phone volume to increase or decrease the volume. So guys, this is how you can play Spotify music on your smart TV. Another thing, if you want to disconnect, then just tap on the connected device here. Once you tap on that one, from here, your current device is this one. You need to tap on your current device, and here log out of this device. You need to just tap on that one, and as you can see, it has been logged out. So guys, this is how you can play music on smart TV using Spotify. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.